So in this video, I want to show you the basic price action concepts that I'm always factoring into my trading, no matter what kind of indicators that I have on my chart. And these basic things that I'm looking for do not require any indicators. So during the course of this video, I'm going to explain what those things are and how I incorporate them into my daily trading, starting at 9 a.m. right before the New York Open session. This is a NASDAQ 1-minute chart. So the first thing I'm going to do is zoom out. I've got my free quick drawing tool up here on the left. This is a free tool from NINZA, which links in the description. But basically I just click on this horizontal line button, and now I can instantly draw a horizontal line anywhere on my chart. And I'm just looking for places where price touched and rejected as many times as possible. Right here, getting all this rejection here, over here. That's all I'm doing. Just going to draw out a few of these. See, we had some rejections all across there and over here. Rejection there. Rejections along the top there. Rejection there. Rejection there. Alright, I think I have enough lines now. Zoom back in. Now let's see how the day unfolded. So here's how the day unfolded. This is the first hour of the New York Open from 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm basically just looking for two things: big wicks and big candle bodies. And I'm going to use that price action to trade in between these levels that I've drawn, as well as levels that pop up during the day. First candle of the New York Open, we're wicking off of this level right here. We wick off of this level for several candles. Here we get a decent sized bodied candle. So I could be interested in going short, looking to possibly retest the next level. What I would be doing is going for my usual 5 to 10 points, just depending on current market volatility. But before I get into a trade, I'm waiting for confirmation. So I'm looking at the most recent lows. This candle has the most recent low. If we break below this low, I might look to get into a trade short, try to get my 5 to 10 point scalp, as long as I have enough room before my next level shows up. We do not break below the most recent lows. No trade triggered. The next few candles, small bodies. I don't see anything I like as far as price action goes till this candle. Nice full bodied candle to the upside. So now I'm looking to my left. Where's my most recent highs? Here's the high of the New York Open so far. Here's the next most recent high. So I could take a break at either of those two levels. If I wait till the break of this high, we pop up over 10 points right within this 1 minute candle. Here we've got another full bodied candle, not much wick. We still have enough room up to our next level. If I wanted to take a break above this candle, we have 30 points of room until the next level. Another very full bodied candle. This would be the third trade in a row. I might be a little hesitant. I like the idea of taking the first trade or the second trade in a move. Third trade and beyond gets potentially a little bit more risky. If we waited for a confirmation of a break higher above this candle, we did not get it. There would have been no trade triggered. Here we get a nice wick right off of this level that we drew. We also have a wick to the downside though. It's kind of an indecisive candle. Sometimes when I have wicks on both sides like this, I might be interested in a break above or a break below. Here's another candle with wicks on both sides. If I took a break above or below, that's a potential entry. Here we got a big wick on top, and it's right off of one of the levels we drew. So taking a break below this candle, putting my stop above this level we drew. We dropped about 20 points in 2 minutes, and we dropped even more. So looking at this big full-bodied candle closing below this level, I'd be looking to take a break below this candle. The next candle, we get a big wick on the top. I'm extra interested in shorting now. So after this candle closed, looking at my most recent low right here, taking a break below, 87 down to 60. We dropped 27 points after breaking out in 1 minute. Plenty of room to get in a 5 or 10 point scalp. Next candle, big full body candle to the upside. We closed above this level we drew. The high of this candle is about the same as our recent high on this candle, taking a break above 221. We make it up over 25 points in 2 minutes. Plenty of room for another 5 or 10 point scalp. So I'm just kind of looking at candle size based on the price action that we've had this morning. And you know, this size candle, they seem to be the bigger ones that are standing out so far this morning. So if I've already taken a few trades, I might want to be done early, or if I'm going to keep trading, I want to wait for the best possible opportunities. I'm not really seeing anything that stands out till we get to this candle. Very nice big wick on the top. I'd be looking for a break lower. We do not get a break lower. No trade. Pretty good sized candle. I might be looking for a break higher, except we have our level right in the way. There's just not enough room. However, this candle is pretty much the exact same size as this candle. Nice full body candle. But now we're closing above the level we drew. We have plenty of room up to the next level. I'd also be looking at key levels just from today's price action. Looking back at the high so far, it's right here at 308. So if we took a break above at 297, there's still 11 points. And I would be guessing that it would at least try to do a poke and a retrace. Either way, we still have enough room to get our 10 points in. And price pops up over 25 points in a minute. Next significant candle, this candle. But again, we're right up against one of the levels we drew. Gonna want to wait till we break lower. This candle, big wicks on both sides. So now I'm extra interested if we break lower. On the next candle we do break lower, 281. Drop down almost 40 points in a couple minutes. Now we've got a pretty big wick on this candle. We just made a higher high for the session today. We're getting a pullback. Could be a potential trade there. A break at 275. We've got 13 points of room up to the next level. This candle looks like an even better trade. Big full-bodied candle, actually breaking and closing above the level we've drawn. Looking to the left, here's a recent high. Here's a recent high. Taking a break of either one of these two levels. We got plenty of room up to this high from today, as well as our next level that we've drawn. If we take the higher break, this is also the indecisive candle. Taking the break at 311, we pop up over 30 points in a couple minutes. Now we're just getting tiny little candles. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Till this candle. Nice big full-bodied candle. Breaking and closing above one of our levels. Plenty of room up to our next level. If we took a break above that, had our stop below this candle, we pop up over 40 points in a few minutes. Here we are at 10:30. I'm usually done trading at 10:30 or a few minutes after. We do get a nice big wick on this candle, and it's wicking right off of one of our levels. Taking a break higher, we have plenty of room. Plenty of room to get in another 5 or 10 point scalp. So these are some of the basic price action principles that I am using in my day-to-day trading. Even when I have a bunch of other indicators on my chart, these are things that I'm always considering when I'm making my trading decisions. I don't make any of my trading decisions based off of any one indicator or any signal. I'm factoring in order flow, support and resistance, volatility, time of day, and price action. I'm also looking at higher time frames, so there's a lot going on behind the scenes. There's no magic indicators out there that are going to make you a better trader. Still have to go through all the practice and the time and experience put into the daily live markets. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. There's links to all the fun toys that I play with in the description, as well as the prop firms that I trade with. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.